The KNUST Feedback App is a web-based application for students, staff, and other stakeholders of KNUST developed by the UITS. It is a platform for collecting feedback and ideas from students, staff, and other stakeholders to help the university improve on its service delivery. Its main objective is to gather suggestions for consideration by management. To access the feedback app, visit feedback.knust.edu.gh. You can submit feedback or ideas as staff, students, alumni, or guest. To submit a feedback or idea as a staff or student, click on the staff or student section and log in with your staff or student credentials respectively. Input your feedback or idea and submit. As an alumni, click on the alumni section and create an account. Input your feedback or idea and submit. As a guest, click on the guest or anonymous section, input your feedback or idea, and click submit. To remain anonymous, enable the Stay Anonymous checkbox. Input your feedback or idea and submit. Management will follow up on your suggestions or contributions. The KNUST Feedback App helps management to provide better services.